one of the biggest things in terms of investing is, can it pass the long-term high and low, up and down of the real estate market or stock market or any market you're investing your finance. The biggest things that it's going to keep your investment intact in the long term is your investment has to be cash flowing. And if you can cash flow, you can withstand the high and lows when the market come down. That's the biggest things. When you're trying to invest in any kind of investment, you have to answer yourself these questions. If is your investment cash flowing? So that is why I invest in US. That's why I invest in cash flowing properties. That's why I partner with other guys. And then you have to answer this question. If you invest in Bitcoins, how much dividend is it going to give it to you every month? If you're investing in Tesla, how much dividend you're going to get each month? If you're investing in high price real estate properties, are you getting cash flow every month? Or if you're investing in apartments building, how much cash flow you're getting every month? That is really important question. That's why we invest in apartments, because we know every month, every quarter, every year, we're getting a cash flow from the renters. People still have to have a place to live in. People don't have to buy Bitcoins to survive, but people have to have shelter, have to have home, have to have apartments to stay. And in terms of current situations where the real estate prices are going up, more and more people is going to turn into renters because they cannot afford a home. And that is their steady revenue income for real estate, for apartments owner like us. And that is why we're so bullish on apartments in terms of long, medium term. Even if the real estate prices come down, that's going to be an abundant amount of renters who need to live in apartments building. And if you want to learn about how can you start, how can you partner with guys and girls to do apartment investing, so I'm looking forward to hear from you. I'm looking forward to share what we know. But the number one thing is you have to always ask, for your investment you put in your capital in, are you getting cash flow every month end? Are you getting cash flow every quarter end? Are you getting cash flow? If not, I think that's the biggest risk in any kind of investing. You're not getting a paid out on a consistent basis. And that's why investing in things that produce a cash flow is the safest bet in current economy, but in a lot of economies like we're going through. Because we don't know when the price will come down. We all know it will come down sooner or later. But getting a cash flow checks every month end, every quarter end, and every year, and it's going to keep you away from your creditor. It's going to keep you, your property managers, to keep paying someone to manage it for you, and to keep your steady cash flow coming in. If you are a retired investor, if you're a retired professional, that's something that you have to think about. What is that cash flow stream? Where is it coming from? Is it from the stock? Is it from the real estate? Or is it from apartments? You have to really answer yourself and put money to not paper company, to something that's real physical asset you can go and touch and feel the physical presence. I think that's really real. Everyone's trying to go to a digital economy, and something that is a really good, I would say, the alternative strategies to becomes, everything becomes fake, becomes unreal. Then you have to put some sort of hedge of your asset, of your investment, to something that is real and generating cash flow every month. And take care.